Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will see how to remove extra blank space on your Wix website. If your Wix website has awkward gaps or too much empty space, it can make your page look unpolished and push important content further down than it should be. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove extra blank space in Wix using a couple of simple methods that you can apply in seconds. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor and scrolling to the area where you notice the unwanted space. The first thing you need to figure out is where that gap is coming from. In most cases, it's either caused by a section that's too tall or by an extra empty section that doesn't need to be there at all.
If the space is inside a section you actually want to keep, the fix is to adjust its height. Click once on that section to select it. You'll see an outline appear around it. Then move your cursor to the top or bottom edge of the section until you see the resize handle. Click and drag that edge inward to reduce the height. As you do this, watch your content closely to make sure your text, images, and buttons still have enough breathing room and don't look squeezed or cut off. Take your time with this step. The goal is to remove unnecessary space while still keeping the layout comfortable and readable. If you accidentally shrink it too much, just drag it back out slightly, or use the undo option to reset it. Now, if the blank space is coming from a completely empty section, the process is even easier. Click directly on the empty area and make sure you're selecting only that section, not the ones around it. Once it's highlighted, right-click and choose Delete. As soon as you remove it, the sections above and below will automatically move together, closing the gap instantly.
After making these adjustments, scroll through your entire page from top to bottom. Look at how each section connects to the next and make sure everything flows smoothly. Check that your headings, images, and buttons are evenly spaced and not sitting too close to the edges. If you come across more gaps elsewhere, just repeat the same process. Either resize the section or remove it if it's unnecessary. Once you get used to spotting these issues, fixing them becomes very quick and straightforward. And that's it. By simply adjusting section sizes and removing unused sections, you can clean up your layout and give your website a much more professional and polished look. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.